Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this video, I will show you how you can start your freelancing journey using Fiverr and how you can make money on Fiverr. So I've already created so many playlists, so you can check out my YouTube channel. So how to make money on Fiverr, 6 videos over there, and also Fiverr data entry jobs, lead generation jobs. Okay, so in this tutorial, it would be another playlist section where you can get lots of videos like about Fiverr. So in 2025, if you want to start your freelancing journey with Fiverr or Upwork, and if you want to make money on online, so this video for you. If you are a student, if you are a housewife or job holder, and you want to start your side hustle business, that's mean side hustle income, so this playlist and this channel will help you a lot. And if you have any queries, please comment below guys, and it's completely free tutorials. You don't have to spend any money. So you will see the different kind of freelancing gurus. They are offering different courses, online courses, and I don't know what can you learn from there, but definitely you can learn from anywhere else, like free tutorials or paid tutorials. So if you are interested to build your career as a freelancer, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so let's jump into my Fiverr account. This is my account guys, and I just completed $125 project, and from that I got $100. Okay, that's been the 25% already. It's a Fiverr tax or Fiverr fees, you can say Fiverr fees. Okay, so that's been 20%. So each and every order Fiverr will take 20%. That's mean if it is $100 a project, so 20%, that's mean $20. So that's mean you will get $80. And this is the another project. I earned $20. That's mean the project was maybe $25. Yes, $25, and that's why 20%, that's mean $5 minus. And this is the another project. It's a $20. That's mean it's a $25. And let's take the another project. It's a $48 I earned. That's mean its details. Okay, $60. So I think it's pretty clear, and maybe you are thinking what kind of project and how we can make money. Okay, so doing this kind of services, that's the question. Fantastic. And that's why I'm making a new playlist section. It's all about Fiverr, and for beginners, for new freelancers who want to start their freelancing journey. So I will show you each and every section that I learned and that I achieved. Okay, so I will create another playlist section where I will put these videos, and I will show you from very beginning. That's mean how you can choose your niche. That's mean how you can choose your skills. That's mean what kind of skills do you need and what kind of skills you should learn. Okay, so as a beginner, if you have zero knowledge and you just know how to Google search, how to find information, how to input the data entry, Microsoft Excel and the Google spreadsheet, so this will help you a lot. Okay, so if you know this kind of steps, so maybe you can earn this kind of amount, and I think it's pretty good amount for a student, for a beginner. So wherever you are, you can join in Fiverr. So I have a big plan, and I will make a step-by-step tutorials. The first of all, this is the very beginning tutorials. I just encourage you to join the Fiverr, and then you can start your freelancing journey. Okay, so first video I will make how to choose your niche or skills that you want to provide, and if you have already different kind of skills, how to create a Fiverr account. I will show that how to optimize your account, how to create a Fiverr gig, image, videos, how to talk to buyer, how to manage. Okay, and then finally how we can complete this kind of project. And I will show you a live project that I've already completed guys. Okay, so I can show you many projects that I've already completed, so don't worry at all. And I hope this video will help you a lot. It will help you all the way, like text, videos and the article, like this kind of project. If you really want to make money doing this kind of project, what should you do? or what should you learn about? The first of all, you have to learn the lead generation tools, how to use this kind of tools. Like there are hundreds of tools out there. It's a B2B lead generation, B2C, like Hunter, Apollo, Sonop.io, Lucia, different kind of tools over there. Okay, it's a my website, guys. You can visit this website. I will put this link into the description, so you can check this out. So first of all, you have to learn how to use this. So I will show you this. Okay, no, don't worry at all. I will show you how you can use this kind of tools, how you can install, how you can find the leads. Okay, it's all about lead generation, guys. And the second of all, you have to learn about verification. That's mean email verification tools. So as a student, as a beginner, always we are looking for something free, because we don't have enough money to spend. So that's why we're looking for free. So top 15 free email verification tools for email marketers. So how can you use this? Because doing this kind of services, definitely you have to learn lead generation tools and the email verification tools. That's it, guys. And how to Google search, how to use LinkedIn. So I will show you step-by-step tutorials. It would be a perfect video playlist if you are looking for to start your new career in 2025. Okay, guys, so this is the video, guys, today, and I will come back with another tutorials step by step. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.